Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to fix the camera not working on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. Whether it's the back camera or the front camera, you wanted to follow these steps to fix it. So let's get started. Now, a simple and an easy fix might be just simply closing out the app or all the apps at once and then going to relaunching the camera app. And sometimes it might just be stuck and it would be a quick, easy fix. Now, if that did not work for you, the next thing you want to consider is cleaning the camera. So sometimes there could be a dirt that could be in the lens and it might be interfering with the camera. So take a microfiber cloth and just simply clean it to make sure it's not in the way. And if you have a case or something, also make sure that it's not blocking your camera. Now, same with the front camera. Usually it's on the top here. You just make sure you clean it with a microfiber cloth. Nothing too crazy. Or if you are recently put a tempered glass on, you want to go ahead and remove that. It could be interfering it, or a case can interfere with that front camera, which is usually up top here. So that's going to be another thing to do. Now, if it's still not working, the next thing to do is to swipe up to get into your settings. And then we are going to look for apps here. And then we are going to look for camera app. So we are going to go to camera here. And from here on, you are going to do is to force stop it. Click on OK. And then once you do that, go ahead and try to open it again and see if the app is going to be working or not. Now, if that did not work, go back into your setting again. Go to apps again and then let's go to the camera setting again. And this time we are going to go to the storage area. And then all we are going to do is to go ahead and clear cache. Just like that. Now clear cache is not going to delete any of your photos or videos. We need to do this in order to go ahead and try to fix it. So let's go ahead and open it up and hopefully it will be working for you. Now, if it's still not working, the next thing you want to do is to restart your device. Now, swipe from the top and enter into a quick setting panel and you can restart your device from here, or you can simply use the volume down button and the side button simultaneously to open up the power menu. Tap on the restart button and restart your device. For time to time, it's always a good idea to just restart the phone as it could fix any temporary glitches that may be affecting the camera app itself from not working. So I'm going to wait for the phone to turn back on, and then if it's still not working, we also have a couple of more things we can do ahead and try. Now once the phone turned back on, go ahead and check it. Now if your camera isn't working, I would recommend again clicking that option and closing out all the apps again, as sometimes it could be the issue. After you have done that, if it's still not working, let's go back into setting. So look for the software update and check if there is an update. Here, as you can see, it is up to date. But if there is any update, you wanted to go ahead and update your phone, as sometime that could be causing an issue as well. Now, after you have done that, it's still not working. After the update, let's go back into the main setting here. We're going to go to the apps, and up top here, we are going to go ahead and reset app preferences, which will reset disable app notification restrictions, background data for apps and permissions as well. You will not lose any of your existing data. But it's important to just do that if you are having an issue with the camera app. And by doing all this, your camera should work. And finally, the last thing you might consider is backing up your data and then factory resetting it. Of course, that takes a little bit longer, which we will be showing you in another video on how to do that. But by now, your camera should work, hopefully. So guys, these are some tips and tricks which you can use in order to fix the camera issues on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year. Peace.